In this video, we are going to show you what is work, power, and energy. Work. Work is defined differently in physics than in everyday language. In physics, work means the use of force to move an object.
For example, a table is dragged across the floor, so work is done. But take note, not all force is used to move an object does work. For work to be done, the force must be applied in the same direction that the object moves. If a force is applied in different direction than the object moves, no work is done. Work is directly related to both the force applied to an object and the distance the object moves. It can be represented by the equation work equals force times distance. This equation shows that the greater the force that is used to move an object or the farther the object is moved, the more work is done.
Power. Power is a measure of the amount of work that can be done in a given amount of time.
For example, the boy was asked to push the table in just 6 seconds. Power can be represented by the equation power equals work over time.
Energy. Energy may be defined as the ability to cause change in matter. Energy can also be defined as the ability to do work. Work is done whenever a force is used to move a matter. When work is done, energy is transferred from one object to another.
Some forms of energy are mechanical, electrical, and chemical energy. Most forms of energy can also be classified as kinetic or potential energy. Mechanical energy is the energy of objects that are moving or have the potential to move.
Kinetic energy. Kinetic energy is the energy of moving matter. Anything that is moving has kinetic energy. From the atoms of matter to the planets in the solar system, things with kinetic energy can do work.
There are 5 types of kinetic energy. These are radiant energy, thermal energy, sound energy, electrical energy, and mechanical energy. Radiant energy is electromagnetic energy. Here are some examples: visible light, X-rays, gamma rays, black lights, and solar energy. Thermal energy. Thermal energy is made when the motion of atoms and molecules move quicker and collide with each other. Here are some examples. Geothermal energy. It comes from the decay of natural minerals and the volcanic action of the earth. Heat. Harnessed from the oceans as solar energy heats them. Sound energy. Sound is the movement of energy through some substance, such as air or water, and is caused by vibrations. Here are some examples of sound energy: anyone's voice, stomping your feet, any musical instrument, and a buzzing bee. Electrical energy. Electrical energy is made up of negatively and positively charged electrons that commonly move through a wire. Here are some examples of electrical energy: lightning, electrical charges moving through a wire or electricity, static electricity, batteries in use, and electrical energy stored in capacitors. Mechanical energy. Mechanical or motion energy is stored energy in objects. As objects move quicker, more energy is stored. Here are some examples: wind, a flowing water, an airplane in flight, and spinning flywheels. Example of kinetic energy is the car moving.
Potential energy. Potential energy due to the position of an object above Earth is called gravitational potential energy.
Example of potential energy is the girl climbed the ladder with a weight of 40 kilograms and the height of the ladder is 10 meters. The formula of potential energy is gravitational potential energy equals weight times height times gravitational force. Potential energy due to an object shape is called elastic potential energy.